Welcome back in time for another quick tutorial. This time we'll show you how to install the Facebook Lite app on an Android phone. So as always, make sure you're connected to the internet or you have data available. Go ahead and open up the Play Store app. At the bottom, right in the middle, click on Search. Go ahead and type in Facebook Lite. Click on the option for Facebook Lite. Click on the blue install bar. That will now start downloading to your phone, and then it'll start installing. Once it's installed, you can either go to it direct by clicking the blue open button, or coming out of the Play Store, scrolling through your screens, and there you can see the Facebook Lite app has been added. Click on that to open up the app, and that's how you download and install the Facebook Lite app.